Hi guys, let's see how to embed or insert an Excel file in a Microsoft Word document. So let's say we want to embed a file anywhere. Let's say we want to embed here. Now, once you decide and put the cursor at that location, you have to click on Insert and now hover your mouse to Object. Click on it and click on Object. And now here you have to just select Microsoft Excel worksheet. Okay. If you are creating a new Microsoft Excel worksheet, if you already have a Microsoft Excel worksheet, you click on create from file and now click on browse and now just locate that particular Excel file which you want to embed. Now here are two more optional options: link to a file and display as icon. Link to a file means those people who have access to your network drive where this document is kept, so that they can keep track of the updated Excel file. So you can leave it unchecked as it is. If you select this, it will display it as an icon. If you want to change icon, you can click on change icon and you can click on browse and you can change the icon to your suitable wish. Otherwise you can leave it as it is and click on OK. And now it will get inserted here. And now you can go on and save your Word file, and whenever someone open this Word file, you can click on it and open this Excel file. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.